I hope you can use this. I don't know what I feel like.
Huh?
I don't know what I feel like.
See the tail light. Y'all see the tail light.
Cover it up.
Yeah.
Can you cut things, babe?
Huh?
Can you cut things?
The lid?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It went black.
Huh? If you want to, you can turn on the wash and sew it.
The wash?
Yeah, turn it to the soap and wash.
Wash soap. It's so annoying.
Okay.
At least you can vault.
Okay, that's what you gotta worry about.
That's the cops. It smells so bad. Looks like you don't want to bring ticket.
Would be the coarser cold air intake under the hood. That's about the only performance under the hood. But not for long though. Maybe I might get a little whine video. Not a whine video, but a little video that's sucking in the air. That's a 5.7 though. Again, baby. But car, this is the whole car. Show the car.
Yep.
The badges, I had the regular only him. I switched that over, blacked it out. I'm trying to black it out all. Little appearance, mostly appearance. The sticker, you gotta let him know the Hemi God. It's the Hemi God product. Just washed it too. Y'all see me like go in the wind. But right here, the diffuser. Man, 5-inch tips. Those are carbon. You can kind of see maybe the top of it has a little carbon. Then there's the big power maker right here. 3.09 differential. It's a little dark, but y'all see it. This ain't a regular 5.7. This is not no regular 5.7. Louvers, they make it more aggressive right here. I got those off. And car ID, I think. I don't know. But I got that. The louvers, both of them. It had the 3-piece spoiler on here because this is 2018. I don't know if I said that. This is 2018, so it doesn't have the SRT styling, none of that. The vents right here don't got that. I'm not big on that. I don't need it. I got this, the Hellcat spoiler for the wicker bill mainly, Got the sticker on there too. The Hemi God. But yeah, that's it, man. That's about most of the mods I did on this L. And get y'all a little startup. Stay back here and I'm gonna start it. Get kind of like close to there, right here. You know what I mean?
Like here?
Yeah. This is it.
You okay, baby? You okay?
But this is it. I got the white side markers, they tinted out. The white lights. My other one on this side went out. Lux Auto cost, or this ain't even Lux, I forgot who this is. Oxito sent me a blue little side marker. All the other ones work except for that one. And they said it happened for reasons, but they ain't gonna send me nothing back. So whatever. But this is it. Started something great. You know what I mean? But I'll see y'all. It's a little preview of what it sound like. Sport mode, get it all the way open.